Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. Once again I'm talking about the Ankr coin. What's the current price of the Ankr coin, and especially in this video I'm talking about the very latest update and latest news. So keep watch this video till the end friends, because this video is very important for all you if you are a holder of Ankr coin friends. Anyways, let's start the video friends. Let's move on. But before starting this interesting video, once again I request all of you that please click the subscribe button and like this video for more this kind of news and updates videos friends. So friends, the current price of the Ankr coin in the market is this time latest is 0.141117 USD dollar is the current price of the Ankr coin. On the other side, if you look the price changes occur in the Ankr coin, so absolutely at this time I'm very happy, I'm very excited to see the price changes occur in the Ankr coin, but unfortunately if you look the previous changes occur in the Ankr coin, so the previous changes is in negative friends. But I hope that with the passage of time the previous last 1 week price changes will soon become positive friends. That is why don't worry about this, very soon they become again positive friends. Anyways, if you look the last 1 hour, the last 1 day, so absolutely I really like this kind of changes occurring in Ankr coin. Let's see my friends the price chart of the Ankr coin, what's going in this time in Ankr coin friends. Oh my god, absolutely a massive gains occur by Ankr coin in the yesterday friends. As you can see here, that is the last 1 day, that is the 24-hour price changes occur in the Ankr coin price chart. As you can see here, as I told you in my previous video, that now this time is the falling time of the Ankr coin, but don't do this mistake. It's time to hold Ankr coin. So as I told you that after some passage of time they again start jumping, same like that they fast down from the previous time and now they are again ready to take a jump. So I hope I'm very happy. So I hope that they continue this kind of jump for a long time in FVDA technical analysis. So that is clear from the technical analysis that Ankr coin are ready for the moon and the big pump of the Ankr coin are coming soon. That is just the beginning. So wait for it and don't do this mistake again. Don't decide to sell Ankr coin at this time, because that is just the beginning of jump. The big jump, the big pump of the Ankr coin are coming soon. Anyways, if you look, the changes occur in the Ankr coin in the last 1 day, so positive 4.3% price changes occur in the Ankr coin, and the highest price of the Ankr is 0.141565 USD dollar is the highest price of the Ankr in the last 20 in the 24-hour friends. My prediction about Ankr coin is 100% positive. What's your prediction? What's your opinion? Share in the comment box, and kindly friends don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.